Hi, welcome to the Vivid Eye training from Providian Medical. Before we get started, there's something we want to do just to make sure the system is configured correctly so you can follow many of the instructions here in the training. Right above the number 3 key, we're going to start with just hitting config. It says config and then it says diag right below it. We're going to take that and first go to the system tab along the bottom here. We'll take the trackball and then click set, which is right above it. You'll type in your facility name here and then make sure your date and time are correct. Next, I want to go to the admin page, which is right along the bottom with the arrow. Click set. And let's make sure you're logged on as administrator. So you can click on administrator, and you'll also may want to set the auto log on as administrator. If you did not get to this page, chances are you're not logged on as administrator. To log on as administrator, just choose ADM from the drop-down box, and the password is ULSADM, all lowercase. Once you've done that, we're ready to go, and we can go through many of the features on this system. Without that, you will run into some issues where it will lock you out. And once you've selected that, now we can move on to the rest of the training. So we'll just hit config, and we're ready to go, and we can take a quick look around the system. There's a lot of buttons to look at here, and the most important thing to remember is that it is designed around your hand. Your left hand for scanning, and the functions you'll use most are going to be closest to your hand. So while you're scanning, most of the items you're going to use are in this general area right here. So you have your imaging mode buttons, 2D, your cursor for the pointer, M mode, PW, CFM for color flow, CW, and this is a programmable Alt key, single screen, dual screen, quad screen, depth, measurements, and you have around here your zoom button. To do this, you can get narrow and move your trackball. This is your set key. That's like the left click key on a mouse. On most systems, it's going to be on the left or right hand side. On this, it's in the